Good day, sir. Today I will be comparing physical contract with oriented programming language. I will also discuss the similarities and difference through the Venn diagram. Now let's start. Procedural programming is like following a recipe. The computer performs a task step by step in a specific order. Each step is set of instructions called procedure. It works best for simple, straightforward tasks. So if something goes wrong, the program checks each step and tries to fix it or stop the program. Like realizing you forgot an ingredient while cooking and correcting it. So that's procedural programming. While object-oriented programming treats everything as an object in a class, inside a class. Like a toy with its own characteristic and abilities. Each object can store information inside of them and perform tasks. Programs are built on making objects interact with each other. Each object can also handle its own mistake because they are separate. Like a smart toy that notices a problem and either fixes it or it won't. So this will not affect your whole program because each object is separate. And for their similarities, both procedural programming and object-oriented programming are based on a computer or what to do. They are we can think of them as an instruction. So instruct a computer or program to perform a task and solve the problems just in different ways. So the difference between procedural programming and object-oriented programming. Procedural programming focuses on step-by-step action, like I said earlier, it follows a recipe or algorithm. Procedural programming handles errors step by step and it's linear and simple, while object-oriented programming focuses on object and their interactions. As object handle the own errors and is modular and flexible. Each object is separate in the program, so if there's an error, the whole program may not go forward. Thank you, sir, for listening for my explanation of this.